next one. The challenge. So let's do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look guys. Look. Oh my gosh, no, there's a zombie in here. Guys, we just got a new collection. This is our first collection. It's a zombie. Somebody gave us this. This is our next person, right? Wait, sorry. There's rat in there. Rat in here, like all the way stuck in there. Wait. Oh, wait. Now so let's draw the. Okay, close your eyes. Wait. I think there's something. Wait, guys. I think there's something else. Aw, man. The zombie again. Yeah. Okay, let's close your eyes. For what? To eat this? No. Well, Tony's gonna be eating this. No. Touch to see who touch and see who is the one who studied. Okay, no. Wait. Close your eyes. So, let's touch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's touch this. See if it gets slime. Wait, I'm gonna do it. Okay, wait. So do it for you. You do it. You got Batman. Yeah. You ready? Where's his cape? Sorry. No. Sorry, Tully. You got to. We have to have it without his cape. He doesn't need his cape. It's going to solve in there. He's so sticky it won't come out. Okay, where's the mask? Oh no, he's getting stuck. Ew, he's so angry. Listen. Pull her out. Oh my gosh, she's naked. Now, if you want to know, Tori let me have this one. Okay, next is the zombie. Yeah. He's gonna be stuck in there. Yo. Okay, so bye guys. We are gonna be tricking people. We're gonna go trick some people. See if they know what's in here. Do something. Tomorrow. Nope, today. No, it's not. They want to trick some people. I wanted to be first. Bye. Yo. Hey, it's the bottom. Hey.